guys, today we're back with another video, as you can see. And if you're wondering what this thing is right here, this is an air raid shelter. It was from World War II. And my stepdad has been doing a really good job of this area. And pretty much use that shovel, and don't for that shovel. As you can see, we're done. Yes. And those are some rocks that we needed. And also, those are some lights we need. And that is very old. The oldest one can be about 75, I think. Need to hop in. Then in. Yeet. And that is rusty metal right there. And you can see that all that stuff has been there. I've been living in this house for 3 years and didn't even know about this. This is nutty. So, this is history right here. I'm gonna let that out now. Yeet. I need to that. I take carefully. I don't want to break my iPad. So that's all I have for today. Bye.